Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, welcome to the session of EVS. This is your EVS session. Quickly take out your EVS books. And, children, we were discussing about the topic sound, right? We have done till page number 8. So, page number 9 is an activity which we will do afterwards. But today we are going to cover our page number 10. So please open your books on page number 10 quickly. Now, please mention the date on the top, tick on the day and the weather. So, we were discussing about sound. Children, as I told you, what do you mean by sound? Something, whatever we hear, is a sound, right? Sensation of hearing is called sound. Whenever we hear some sound, means we are hearing something, okay? If it is a clap, or it can be when we are talking to each other, or a music system, or chirping of birds, honking of vehicles. So these all are the sounds which we hear by our ears, right? Which sense organ is used in this particular sound? We use our ears. Ears is the main sense organ with which we hear the sound, with the help of which we hear the sound. Sound can be loud or soft. This I've already told you that it can be loud sound or it can be soft sound. Okay. Now we will cover page number 10 today. So before starting, what we have to do is we always read the facts given below. Sound is something we hear, okay? It is caused due to vibration of the surrounding air. Now, see, I am speaking. I'm speaking. My sound is moving in the whole environment, okay? But with the help of air, because there is air all over. We all know that air is all around us, right? With the help of this air, with the help of this surrounding air, the vibration passes on and reaches the other ears. Some pleasant sounds are, which is soft sound, kind of chirping of birds. We love it to hear this. This is chirping of birds. You can underline this. It can be soft music, singing, or flute, etc. Flute, flute when kind of bansuri, okay? Bansuri is in English called flute, okay? Noise is unpleasant to hear. Yes, noise, loud noise. We don't love loud noise. So, loud noise can be bad for our ears. Yes, more louder we will hear, more loud sound we will hear, our eardrums can be affected. We have a very soft eardrum inside with the help of which we hear that can get blast. Okay, if we hear loud sound or we will be standing near the DJ speakers which is of very loud sound, so our eardrums gets affected by that. Okay, so some unpleasant noises can be honking of vehicles. Yes, when we are in market, the continuation of honking of vehicles, which keeps on honking, keeps putting their horns on. So by that also our ears get affected. Barking of dogs, loud noise of that is there. Music played on high volume, children shouting in the class. Yes, whenever you people shout in the class, that also affects your ears, and noise is really unpleasant to hear. We don't love that kind of noise. Okay, is it clear? Now, let's read these facts now. Some animals sounds are. Now, there are the sounds of some animals which take out. Like we know that what do cat sounds like? Cat says meow, right? You know this, and dogs bark. So now see snake. What is the sound of a snake? Like this the snake sounds come. Okay, now comes ape. You can see this kind of gorillas. Okay, this is the another breed for it. They gibber. Bird, they chirp. Cow moves. Fly buzz. Zebra snort with their nose like this. Okay, so just see the correct pronunciation. Snake is, ape gibber, bird, chirp, cow, moo, fly, buzz, zebra, snort. Okay, so you have to learn these sounds. You should know the spellings of these sounds, okay, and you should know that which sound is taken out by which animal. I'm clear? Okay. Now, what you have to do, connect the sounds you like and dislike with the correct boxes. Playing a flute. Now, you can see this. Yes, we like it because it is a soft sound. Singing. Yes, we like it. Next is honking of a car horn. No, we don't like it. Honking of a car horn. We don't like it. Next, playing of soft music. Yes, soft music we like. Children shouting in class. No, not at all. Barking of dog. No, we dislike it. Is it clear? Fine. So you have matched it with the help of a scale. Just use a scale or ruler to match these. Okay, don't do untidy work. Am I clear? Now it's time for your daily diaries. So open your diaries. What are you going to write? Which page today we have done? We have done page number. This page is page number 10. Okay. So what are you going to write? Read and complete page number 10. Okay. So now finish it and do it in a neat handwriting. And I always say whenever you have to match, so use a scale to match. Okay. Don't do untidy work. Fine. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. I hope you all have written your diaries. Read and complete page number 10. Okay. So bye. Thank you. Take care, everyone.